Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to hide Excel cells. Hiding data in your spreadsheets is a powerful way to manage complex information, making your workbooks much cleaner and easier to navigate. Whether you need to temporarily conceal sensitive figures or simply declutter your view, understanding these techniques will significantly enhance your Excel productivity. We will cover methods for rows, columns, and even individual cell content. To hide entire rows or columns, simply select the header of the row or column you want to conceal. For example, click on the row number 5 or column letter C. Then, right-click your selection and choose the Hide option from the context menu. This action instantly removes the selected row or column from view, making your spreadsheet appear more concise. You can also find this option within the Format drop-down on the Home tab of the ribbon. Sometimes you only want to hide the content of specific cells, not the entire row or column. To do this, select the cells you want to affect. Then, open the Format Cells dialog box, which you can quickly access by pressing Ctrl+1 on your keyboard. Navigate to the Number tab, select Custom from the category list, and in the Type field, enter 3 semicolons. This clever trick makes the cell content invisible while keeping the data intact. Unhiding your data is just as straightforward as hiding it. To reveal hidden rows or columns, select the rows or columns immediately adjacent to the hidden area. For instance, if row 5 is hidden, select rows 4 and 6. Then, right-click your selection and choose Unhide. For cells whose content was hidden using the 3 semicolons, simply go back into the Format Cells dialog box and change the number format back to General or any other desired format. This restores visibility to your data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.